this pain. Okay, why am I walking in the lake? Tell me.
I don't know. It's gonna be waterfall soon.